Hey guys, this is Atul here from Pratham Investment Managers. The chart on your screen is Pound New Zealand Dollar, that is GBP NZD, and today we will be looking at this pair for our trade opportunity. I will be drawing few trend lines, few support resistance lines, and then we will start analyzing this pair. So let's start. First of all, I will be drawing a trend line which is a rising trend line, and we can see that this trend line is broken. It was broken on 26th, that is on Friday, and then there is a continuation of the fall. Okay, now let's draw few supports resistance lines so that we can get clear idea of the picture and we will be able to trade the pair. Okay, so this is first level where I can get few supports or resistances around this level. Next will be approximately this area where I'm getting major support levels. One will be here, and then one more will be approximately at this level. Okay, so these are the lines that I have drawn. These are uh, support resistances. You may track these support resistances here in the past. They are offering quite a bit strong support or strong resistance at particular levels. Okay, so these are trend lines and support resistances. The one moving average that you are looking at is 44 period moving average. I will make it 50 period moving average on daily time frame. It is a simple moving average. Currently price is trading below the moving average. Currently price is trading below the trend line, that is rising trend line. So ultimately the price that we are looking at is trading in a downtrend. Actually it just started trading in a downtrend, and we may see a lot of downside uh, in coming days. So this was an important area, the support around 1.9600. This support has been broken. The price has started falling. Now, it may not continue immediately. So we might see some pullback maybe today, tomorrow, or in next 1 or 2 days. So what will be our strategy in this case? We will wait for our entry, wait for good entry to short this trade or short this pair. We will initiate our shorts on slight pullback of this pair. It will be around 1.9550 and 1.9600. We will go with two entries for the same trade. One entry will be around 1.9550, second entry will be around 1.9600, and our stop loss in this case will be around this area, the topmost line, that will be around 1.9680. So this is our stop loss area. These two are our entry levels, and then there will be a take profit area which will be approximately around 1.9420, and then the second one will be around 1.9180, approximately 1.9170, 1.9180. Slightly higher levels of take profit orders will be good, so that it will ensure your orders are triggered. Okay, so for me, this entry level, that is 1.9550 and 1.9600, average comes around 1.9575, and the stop loss is around 1.9680, that is approximately 100 pips, 105 pips. And looking at the target from average level, it is around 400 pips. So 100 105 pips of risk and 400 pips of reward. That is approximately 1 is to 4 kind of risk reward, which is a fine risk reward for any trade. So this is the trade. You may go short in this pair GBP NZD. Your trade will be short limits or sell limits at 1.9550, 1.9600. Your stop loss will be 1.9680, and your take profit orders will be around 1.9420 and 1.9180 approximately. So 105 pips of risk, 405 pips of reward. Do consider your account size before entering the trade. Do not jump in with large quantity because the stop loss is approximately 105 pips away from your entry levels. So do consider the risk when the pair goes against you by 100 pips, and do not jump in with larger lot sizes. Trade smaller lot sizes into different levels. That will reduce your risk, and just keep booking profits around the support areas, that is 1.9420 and 1.9180. Actually, I am looking for a more bigger downside in this pair, around 1.8900, but I will be satisfied even if it gives me around 1.9180 as a target for this short trade. It is actually falling with strength. The candle is a very strong candle, strong bearish candle. Normally, this type of candles are called strength candles, and it will be very strong fall in this pair. But before fall, it might show some retracement, and that will be your opportunity to enter the shorts. So do not jump in with larger trade sizes, larger lot sizes. Keep in mind your account size, follow risk management, enter at two different levels with two different lot sizes, or you may split your expected trade size in two parts, enter at in two parts, keep stop loss, and wait for the take profit orders. Wait for your entry levels to trigger. Do not jump in at random prices. Do not jump in at market prices. It Market always gives you chance to enter the trades. So just enter the orders and leave them as it is till they are triggered. If we hit the take profit orders, just delete the pending orders and uh, forget about the trade. Okay, so best luck for all of you, and hope this trade will give you some good amount of profit. If you like this analysis, if you like this video, then just hit like button. And if you're not still on uh, our YouTube channel, then just hit subscribe so that you will get further updates on time and you will not be missing any trades. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and do share this video if you are enjoying the analysis. Thank you.